Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Lydia and today's video is a pack with me for the DCP. I've already started packing and grabbing things. So I actually did a my run with my mom this morning. It's time to pack my suitcase and get everything organized in boxes and my suitcase. So yeah, and I have Luna here joining me for the beginning portion. Yeah. So she is very photogenic, which is really funny. But then when she doesn't want to be on camera, she does things like this. Or she'll look directly not even in front of the camera. Yeah. So it's time to get started. Packing. Yeah. Should we start? It's sad 'cause I won't see her for 5 months. I'll miss her. So first I'm actually gonna start by putting some outfits laid out. So I'm not gonna do the suitcases quite yet, just so my mom can run down some outfits because I won't need as much, because knowing me, I'll probably get some stuff when I'm down in Florida, so I want to save enough room for that so it's not too much trying to get it home way later when I come back in May. So I'm gonna have her kind of double check to see if that's a good amount to go with. I would pack less because then you have more space to bring stuff home. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna start doing, is just grab some outfits from my closet and just grab some shorts, all the stuff I'll need, and then lay it out, and then when my mom is ready, she'll check, see what we need, and then after that I'll do my suitcases. Before we begin, I gotta show you guys just the huge kind of mess that I've created with all the packing. So first off, I'm gonna show you in the other room. I just have so much stuff. This isn't even half yet. Yeah, anyway. And then when you go downstairs, you have, so here's all the boxes. Here's another one. I'm actually taking this lunchbox because I don't want to get mine mixed up with someone during work. And then toilet paper, some bags, and then some hand towels, some command hooks. But that's nothing. At Flamingo you cannot put any nails. You can use command hooks though. And then some snacks, a lot of snacks. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I didn't realize how much stuff I brought. I think college, I felt like I brought a lot, but this is way more. So this gives the messy room. I'm gonna grab some outfits. So I'm actually gonna take this tapestry with me, but I'll do that later. So I'm gonna put this dress, this dress. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting some dresses. I already pulled 2. I actually wore this for my birthday dress this year, which I absolutely love. And then I also have this green one, which is my old birthday dress. But I love wearing these dresses. And then I also have this one. I'm gonna be like picking and choosing, so I'm not picking them all. I just wanna grab them all just so I can see what I have. Let me see. This one had a stain on it, but oh, Mom got it. Thanks, Mom. But we might wear your dress. Oh, this one would be cute for like, I don't know. Oh, yes. Okay, we need to talk about this tennis dress for a second. This tennis dress, best outfit ever. It has built-in shorts, everything. The best dress I have. And it's athletic, so if I'm on like a water ride, I think all the water rides at Disney are closed right now. Just realized that. I think one of them's opening later, but yeah, they're all closed. Anyway, if it's raining or if there's the Moana attraction, yeah. I think with that, it dries very quickly. Don't need that one. Would be fun. Skirt. And then I'm wearing This is the blue one. You might have remembered this one from my Frozen, seeing Frozen on Broadway. I'm wearing this for my traditions dress. There's so much stuff going for. Okay. I'm gonna show you. And this one's gonna go. Oh, this is my favorite. So I have a few dresses I have, but I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna take one formal type of dress just so I have one, because I don't know when I would need it, but I don't want to go without it because it's formal, but it's also not like. I'm gonna take this one. You never know. So I'm gonna just, again, my mom's gonna help me go through this, but I just don't know what events that they have yet, but I don't want to not have the right dress for the right occasion. I was one that has a dress for every occasion, so just have a few options will be nice. So not all these are coming with, it's just an idea so we can figure out. I am the first in my family to do this program, so it's not like I have anyone in my family before me that's gone. So there's that, which is exciting to be the first person to do it, because I was the last to do college and all that. So it's fun to be the first, but it's also kind of scary because I have friends who have done it, because I found people on the internet and became friends with some of those amazing girls that I've gotten to, actually I met one of them in the program recently, but it's just been nice to meet people, but I don't know anyone like personally and like my, yeah, anyway. I'm just thinking. Oh, this would be very nice. This would be going with my traditions dress to look very professional. Yeah. Welcome to day 2 of packing for my DCP. So here's a little update. We are starting to get more things organized. I have all my outfits because I don't want to pack too much because I know I'm probably gonna buy stuff there. And then the last stuff on the floor. We have one suitcase at the moment, all packed. And then right now I'm going through my bathroom stuff. Yeah. But not all of it's coming with me. I just gotta make sure I have the stuff I actually need, because my parents will be coming a few times during my program, so I don't need it all. It feels weird because this is my room without the Ray poster and my tapestry. It feels weird without it because I always have it, but it's all coming with me. So yeah. Hey guys, I know that was a little bit of a shorter video today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time. I am officially moved in to the DCP. Got a lot of great videos coming your way. So, yeah. I did do a lot more packing than what you saw in this video. I just totally forgot to film it because I was trying to remember every last thing I needed. Luckily, I remembered everything. So, we're set with that, but thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.